Hey everyone, welcome back to the Market Warrior. I'm Dipankar, and today we're diving deep into the world of digital marketing. If you've ever wondered what digital marketing is all about or want a comprehensive understanding, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our content. Now, let's jump into it. Every day in this world, millions of people use the internet to buy the things they need sitting at home, be it for festivals, weddings, or for wishes. Previous in the last few years, the way of shopping of people has completely changed. Now, like before, people do not go to the market and buy goods, rather they look at the goods from online shopping websites, and if they like, they buy online. That is why people who do business like those who run clothing stores, grocery stores, or toy stores, their business has stopped due to online shopping websites. It has become very difficult for them to do business, so today on behalf of Will Support, we are here to help you. We have come up with a panacea for you which will completely solve your problem. The name of that trick is digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Why is it needed, and where and how to use it? All these questions will get answered in this. If you are going to meet us through video, then definitely watch the video till the end. First of all, we will know what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is done through internet, computer, and electronic devices through which any company can market its product. By doing this, you can reach your target customers in a very short time, which is called online marketing. When a company launches its business or a new product, it does marketing to reach it to a lot of people. Marketing means the right place and connect with your customers at the right time, and in today's era, you must be connecting with your customers at the place where they spend all their time, and that place is internet. In India, almost all sections of people use the internet, and its number is increasing every day. Be it a big company or a small company, everyone uses the internet for marketing, just as a company advertises its products through big posters, banners, and pamphlets. In the same way, online internet marketing can also be done through digital marketing. Be it offline marketing or online marketing, the main objective of both is to reach as many people as possible. In offline marketing, more money is earned for advertising the product. You have to spend money, but with digital marketing, you can reach people all over the world at a very low cost, and now we know why digital marketing is important. Digital marketing is a powerful medium to reach customers through digital technology. When there were no smartphones, people used to use TV, newspapers, magazines, and videos more than in all these places. Countless companies used to advertise their products, and people used to buy the products from the market after seeing the advertisements. But the smartphone. Most of the people in the race, especially the youth, can spend their time on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter instead of Chinese. They can watch videos from YouTube instead of videos. They listen to songs on different types of apps, and instead of newspapers, they listen to songs online. Read blogs. This is the reason why companies are now advertising their products digitally and promoting them in those places where most of the internet users are found. Digital marketing helps the company to reach its products to more customers. Earlier, people are going to the market to buy the goods they like, and now in less time than the time it used to take to buy. Now people are able to shop for their favorite goods from the internet sitting at home. Digital marketing only helps the customers. Not only this, but the traders are getting a lot of benefits in doing business, because due to this they are able to reach more customers in a very short time, thereby increasing the sales of their products. The demand for digital marketing is increasing in the present times. Because there is more profit in less cost in digital marketing, and friends, now we know where and how digital marketing is used. Then the first thing is blogging. It is the best and better way to do online digital marketing. You have to create a blog in the name of your company in which you can tell about the service provided by your company, and whenever your new product is launched, you will add its details in it, and you will get many benefits from this. You can attract customers towards yourself. Second is content marketing. In content marketing, you can write all the information about all the products made by your company in the form of 1 hour. To write there, you will have to make it in a correct and attractive manner in which the details of the product will be mentioned. In which other office you will have to tell that the user reading in this liked your words, and the popularity of your business will also increase, and this will also increase the setting of the product. Third is search engine optimization. If you are getting a lot of attention on your blog through search engine, this customer wants to get all the traffic. Whether you are SEO or not, it is very important to have knowledge of search engine optimization. If the user wants any information, then they use Google, and Google presents the information in front of the war using such things. If your website appears on top of Google's search results, then more people will know about your blog and your business. That is why you will have to make your website as per the SEO guidelines given by Google so that it has good organic site. That can be found on your website or blog. Fourth is social media marketing. Social media is an important part of digital marketing. On social media, businessmen can not only promote their products and services but can also know what the users say about their friends. Talking about social media marketing proves to be very beneficial for your business. Social, you will get twist feature in media marketing. You can add your business on Instagram, Snapchat, and Impress. The fifth is to Brad Adams. Whenever you grow a blog or website, you must have seen a lot of advertisements. Most of the advertisements are shown by Google. With the help of Google AdWords, any businessman can market his product. This is a web service for which you have to pay money to Google. Google Ads shows ads on quality websites and blogs so that you can reach your target and even your business and products through Google AdWords. You can run many types of ads like tax apps, images, Edison match contacts, video apps, forms, which one it's etc. Apps marketing is short. Many companies on the internet create apps to reach people and promote their product on it. It is called apps marketing. It is a very good option of digital marketing because nowadays a large number of people use apps on their smartphones. That is why any person can now place their advertisements in various ways to reach their business to thousands of people, on which when the user clicks, the product's website can be easily accessed. Seventh is YouTube channel marketing. YouTube is the second largest search engine in today's time, due to which there is a lot of traffic on YouTube. This is a medium where you can promote your product through videos. You must have noticed that whenever you watch a video on YouTube, you see an advertisement video in the middle of the video. It is actually a marketing video of a company's product, which people watch and get attracted to in large numbers on YouTube, due to which it becomes easy to earn. The eighth is email marketing. Through email marketing, the company sends product information to the customers through email. Along with this, complete details and off-birth of the product is also provided. Along with the product information, there is also a link to it which provides easy purchase answers to the customers. Through email marketing, you can reach out to millions of customers in just one click. This is a very good and easy way for digital marketing. Through this, business can be taken to more and more people, and it gives a lot of benefits. So friends, I hope that from this video you have got all the information related to what is digital marketing and its use. It is always our endeavor that through our videos you can get complete information on the given topic so that you do not have to go anywhere else. If you have any problem related to this video, then you can tell us in the comment below so that we can solve your problem as soon as possible. If you like this video of ours, then like it and share it as much as possible so that information can reach other people too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be the first to watch our videos. Please do press the bell icon for more updates. Please do refill now. I will meet you again with a new video. And there you have it, a brief overview of the expansive world of digital marketing. We've only scratched the surface, so if you want more in-depth content, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on the Market Warrior. Until next time, I'm Deepankar, signing off. Happy marketing! Hey there, fellow warriors of the market. Welcome to the Market Warrior, your ultimate destination for all things investing and trading. I'm your guide in this financial battlefield, and I'm thrilled to have you on board. Whether you're a seasoned investor, a day trading enthusiast, or just getting started in the world of finance, you've come to the right place. Here at The Market Warrior, we're on a mission to empower you with knowledge, strategies, and insights that will turn you into a true market warrior. We cover it all, from in-depth market analysis to practical trading tips, and we even dive into the latest investment trends. If it involves the financial world, we're on it. But hey, it's not just about me talking at you. This is a community, and I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, questions, and trading experiences in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together. Curious about the next big investment opportunity? Wondering how to navigate market volatility like a pro? Stick around because we've got some incredible content coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from the Market Warrior. Get ready to sharpen your financial weapons and conquer the markets with us. Until next time, stay strategic, stay informed, and let the battle for financial success begin. This is the Market Warrior signing off. May your portfolios be green and your trades be ever in your favor.